This is Bobby. I got a Dan Henry vintage watch today. So I'm going to be a little bit quick in unboxing. So this is a Dan Henry 44mm diver. So I've already took this part out. So let's unbox it. So hey, what's this? A little tube of greatness. So let's check the tube out. A little bit dusty. Dan Henry, right over here. Okay, let's open it. Thus, well, okay. Put this onto the side. So this is a leather carrying case. So this is powered by a Seiko caliber NH35 movement with 64 joules. I am told that it's a workhorse movement, very reliable. This has, let me just first open this. I like that. I like how that was, cinched up together like this. So makes it very, very stable. Okay. All right. Coup de grace. Whoa. Okay. Put that over here. Okay. Back to this side here. We have a Dan Henry international warranty. Something here. Okay, that's where I'm putting it. And here is, whoa, what's this one? Just a piece of paper. Here is the movement. So this is a 44mm watch. The octopus cephalopus something. Well, I can't pronounce it right now. So this is considered a super compressor because the bezels are not screw downs. They react to pressure to create a tighter seal. So let's try to turn that. It's pretty stiff. Pretty stiff. But, it's not the 16th. Today is May 3rd, so they didn't calibrate that. Good on the hand. Let's measure it, shall we? 14.8 millimeters thick. Exactly 44 millimeters wide. Lug to lug is 50.3. The widest part, still 44. Pretty good. Let's check the Lume shot. Can I do that? Let's first take this plastic off. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, this also had a back and a little protector. Hand winding, pretty good. So let's try to do a Lume shot. So this camera actually captures it pretty well. It's pretty well lit. Very beautiful. Of course the back is not lit up, but not bad. Not bad. So this part is unfortunately not lit. Usually it is for other dive watches. But as you can see, it's okay. Unidirectional. Alright, so Lume shot. Let's do the wrist shot. Here is the wrist shot. I have a 7.5-inch wrist, and I think it looks perfect. Looks pretty good. Nice. So, decide to get one for yourselves today or tomorrow. It's a limited edition. Oh, let's check what number I am. Come on, come on, come on. So, there's still opportunities for you guys to also get one. Out of 1970, I am 776. Beautiful little octopus here. Yep. Enjoy.